Kenan just jigged up this nice picky. And he's got a flag. We're already getting action. Yeah. What's up, everybody? We're out. My buddy Kenan. We're about to do some frickin' ice fishing. We got the sled hooked up to here. And we gotta go down this frickin' trail to get to the fishing spot. So I think it's gonna be good. We'll get back with you. We're on the trail. All right, fellas, we're out on the lake. Testing the thickness. Yeah, just cranking it. Cranking it, bud. What do we got there?
A few inches of crap white ice.
Ah.
And then I don't know what's underneath it.
Fuck. All right, well, it wasn't recording, but Kenan just jigged up this nice picky. And he's got a flag. We're already getting action. Yeah. Nice picky there. All right, well, we just got to the pond and just showed you he's jigging up that pickerel, and now he's already got a flag on here. Within, what was this, like not even 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Got him?
I think I lost him.
Oh.
Yeah, I pulled it out of his mouth.
Damn. Any bite marks on him?
I don't know if he'll still swim or not.
He looks alive.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Just barely kicking, bro. Oh shit. No. Oh shit, bro. You gotta go get that.
That might be gone.
Really? Oh. Well, you gotta go look. Oh my god, I see it. God damn it. Oh, I think it's good for now. Uh-oh. I mean, you have to walk around this side. Uh-oh.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, bud. Did you actually go through the ice?
Yeah.
Oh.
Flag.
I would never do you like
Flag.
that. There's no flag.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't, bro. Oh.
No, there isn't.
Got this little bugger. Little pickerel. Look at that. There he is. Another one. Another one.
Ice off.
Freezing.
He's running with it. I lost him.
Kenan!
I lost him.
God damn it.
Oh no.
Oh! Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus.
And he popped right out. Look at that. Beautiful. As you can see, take a good look at that. It's just barely turned, you know.
What the? What the hell? Oh, look behind you.
Another one?
Yeah, another one. Oh God, we're let's go. for 2?
Hold it. Hold it. I felt them so. Ah, get out of here.
Probably the same fish.
You think swam all the way over there?
Oh yeah. Jumbo fish.
Hey, what's going on? Me just popping in here. So I want to kind of put into perspective what was going on in this video. First off, before anyone gets mad, I didn't throw that last pickerel on the ground and just leave him there. I wouldn't do something like that. I took the hook out. It wasn't in the video. Anyway, the GoPro situation, it's not really working out. These cameras just, the batteries do not last. I mean, I got like 30 minutes at most out of a battery, and I have 2 on me. Usually that lasts me 3 hours. But in this degree of cold, it definitely does not work. So I'll have to figure something else out in terms of recording. Also today, very similar to the other ice fishing trip I posted, it was like in the teens or lower, and with the wind chill, it was in the negatives. So that's like makes for a really miserable trip if you're not like properly like clothed, I'd say. But we had a shanty this time, which definitely helped. No heater. Regardless, we were able to get out. I mean, it was a fun trip. You know, we tried out a new place. In total, we got 5 pickerel, 3 for me and 2 for my buddy. Just chain pickerel. That was it the whole day. And you know, that's not the greatest thing, I'd say. But in the end, I mean, it's fishing a new spot. You're not gonna strike gold every time. I mean, it was just fun to get out. So anyway, if y'all liked the video, and it was all over the place, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and drop a little comment if you want. Peace out.